Welcome back, friends. After Memorial Day weekend, it's our first day out on the river this season. It's going to be hot and humid. We're just doing a quick trip down, parked a canoe van at the Brinkhaven landing, and me and the adventure dog are headed that way. Good times. Get some R&R on the river. River's up. Gonna shoot a little, hopefully shoot a little video over the Brinkhaven Dam. When I drove over that this morning, it looked like it was a little high, so it could be a little fun going over there in a shorter boat today too. That is the official Adventure Dog summer canoeing sunshade, so that she does not melt in the heat when we're out here. And there's a friend of ours up there in a solo canoe, cruising past Mohican Wilderness. Huge campground. This place where they had that bluegrass festival in the fall. It's nice to be back on the river. Coming up on Greer Landing. Ginormo log jam here blocking the bridge that's under construction in 2018. This is going to be closed the whole summer, but Greer Landing's on the left, just past the bridge up here. Last year the log jam was blocking the whole river. This year it's not. It's blocking just the middle portion. It's jammed up pretty bad right there. What do you think, Adventure Dog? Any opinions on the Greer Landing log jam? Negative. This is Mill Rapids. It's like a class 1 or class 1 point something. Just to be an old water mill. And yeehaw. Next landmark coming up here, it's called Devil's Backbone. And it's a pretty steep little band of hills right there. Maybe it's a cliff along that whole thing. What do you think of that, Adventure Dog? Pretty exciting, huh? It's a typical Ohio river. It's really not a whitewater river. There are a few in Ohio, but nothing real exciting. This is more of a just cruise and enjoy the quiet kind of place. I don't know if it shows up very well, but this next landmark is called Alum Rock. It's just off the front right side of my boat here, around this little curve coming off of the Brinkhaven Road Bridge, next bridge out of Greer. good one. Sorry about that, adventure dog. I hit a rock. This is the Bridge of Dreams and the Brinkhaven takeout. I would get out right up here in this creek because there's a little sandbar and the river's not as muddy.